This is kind of an interesting one, Tracy, because we're talking about depersonalizing, and we hear that word all over the place. And, you know, it usually means to us, okay, get the wedding pictures off the wall, or all the pictures of our kids, because it's not the new buyer. And, you know, we want them to be able to put their stuff in the house and their pictures. We want them to be able to see where they could put their family pictures and all of their memorabilia, right?
Yes, we do. And what we want to make sure by this whole depersonalizing exercise is that the house is as welcoming as possible to as wide of a market as possible. So, for instance, college rivalries can really alienate certain buyers. So, you want to take down your football pennants and your logos and your affiliations if you think that it's going to alienate.
Yeah, I know that can sound funny, but I mean, loyalties run very deep. And I have had clients who would actually not go into a house because the wrong mascot was out, or the wrong flag
On
was
the
out.
flag.
Yeah.
I get it. Well, but let's talk about strategically keeping some personalization in the home and how that can be used to your benefit.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Well, I'll tell you an example from my personal home, and that is I live on a lake. And when we bought our home, the sellers left this for us, and it was actually a very old picture of the lake and the neighborhood. And it just goes so well in this home because it's nostalgia, and it's a piece of just memorabilia that really we love to be able to have that historical piece. And I
Yes,
think you
and
were
that will
talking about,
invite buyers to
yes,
really
yes,
like realize how deeply steeped this history is and how special it is to become a part of it.
yes, absolutely. And what about you? You've had some other different,
Yes. So there are certain items of personalization that have been my sellers have displayed, and one of those things was my seller was a member of a Porsche car group and
okay,
had a Porsche collection. And so in his study, he had all of these Porsche books and ribbons and photographs of his prized cars.
wow.
And that was a very personal, but a very aspirational message that was subtly being given, that if you would be the special buyer for this home, that, you know, this was a really cool thing that my seller was involved with. And again, Porsche is an aspirational brand, and it helped put that spin on this property.